Kawadhi nyime ni jolony mag pimo lope ma idendo ni surveyors kata surveyor nyako Ramogi koni thoth ywaruok mag lope e pacho ka osebedo katimore kaluwore gi sieko mag jopim lowo ma bandia maonge kod obok ma opuodhogi. Giloso Mombasa e romo mokelo kanyakla jo surveyor mawuok e pacho ka mangima. Jolony go ywak ne piny owacho kuom rem ka okang' mawinjore marakore kod jomibadhi ma osedonjore e sekta no mar jo surveyor e pacho ka. Weche mag mibadhigo giwacho ni osenyayo midhiero kotenore kod weche mag ywaruok mosebedo e lope mathoth mathurka.
Kitengela, you go to Kilifi, see the many land conflicts that are there, double registration of land. How did that happen when you leaders were there? How? How did that happen when you have ethical standards within the survey and land valuation? How does it happen that a single piece of land is valued by 4 surveyors and one says it is 2 million, another one says it's 30 million, another one says it is 40 million? Is it voodoo or science?
The biggest problem is the engagement of unqualified persons who we call quacks. It's only when things go wrong is when you want to say, I engaged a surveyor, but did you confirm the credentials of the surveyor? Is he a registered surveyor? Is he a registered valuer? And unfortunately, the government has not taken a very hard stance in clamping down on those masquerading as professionals, more in the land sector.
Duol mochung' ne ndiko jotije kaunti ma